that was just the NVX by itself. It's freaking pounding. For some reason when I hook both subs up together and it goes down to 1 ohm, I guess I don't have 0 gauge wire, that's probably why. And I still got a stock alternator. But when it tries to push both subs, when I turn it up, it sounds loud, but it goes in protect a lot. So I'm not going to run it like that because I'm not going to mess up my amplifier until I get a better alternator or 0 gauge wire, whatever is causing that. But by themselves at 2 ohm, it runs fine. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm just going to stick with the 1 sub for now until I can upgrade the rest of my electrical. But I mean, I do got the 2 batteries right here, so my voltage don't really drop. It's just I don't think I'm getting enough amp output to push both subs at 1 ohm. I mean, when I had both of them hooked up, I mean, I had it set at 54 volts, what it's supposed to be, but still the amplifier got real hot, so that's not good. So I'm just going to stick with the 1 sub running at 2 ohms and go from there until I get everything else upgraded. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. We're getting there, guys. Thanks for all the new subscribers that have subscribed in the past week. We really appreciate you guys. We get to 1,000, boy, it's going to be good. Then I can really start building this. I'll wall off the back of my car and we'll really be jamming then. Plus I get over 1,000 subscribers and I start making some money and get paid for this, I'll start giving some stuff away. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Late.
Wow,